It is the night before the third ODI here in Sydney. It is midnight and tomorrow Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma will be playing, which people think might be the last match in Australia, but I don't know. But here's me predicting that Kohli is going to completely knock it out of the park.
50 to Kohli.
Good morning, it's the next day. I'm so jet lagged. I slept at 6 a.m. because that is like 1 a.m. in India, so I'm running on Indian time. It is very windy, but this is the SCG. And people have queued up like hours before to enter. Okay, so I've come a little early to SCG because I have work and shoot. I'm shooting with Adam Gilchrist first, and then David Warner, and then Brett Lee. And abhi I'm just waiting for someone from KO Sports to come, which is like the digital equivalent of Fox. And अब मैं आपको जैसे स्टेडियम के अंदर लेके जाऊँगी. Oh, it's so pretty. Wait, let me show you. This is the SCG. It's actually quite nice. I've got my accurate. I've come inside, and it's obviously empty because you have to start shooting. So we're going to go to the broadcast room. If you haven't seen my BGT vlog, I'll link it here. That also has a lot of information about cricket stadiums and just cricket in general. Wow, familiar faces. कौन है ये लोग? I can't believe we lost the toss again. ये है स्वीट, जैसे हमारे इंडियन स्टेडियम्स में बॉक्सेस होते हैं, यहाँ पे स्वीट्स होता है. तो फॉक्स स्पोर्ट्स का है और बाहर कुछ लोग बैठे हैं. The entire stadium is just filled with Indians. Earlier I was there where the media places are, so I'm oscillating between this and that. Our players are playing, and that's the Indian dugout where I shot some content as well. I just got out. So this is the media and broadcast room, and I'm going to give you a tour of it. But first I have to go to the loo. Guys, यहाँ bathroom में भी match चल रहा है. This is a commentary room, so filming is in progress, so you can't enter. This is the hair and makeup, which only happens for the international people, not us Indians. Again, commentary is happening, and this is JioStar commentary, which is home. Commentary room for English commentary. I think Varun Aaron and Warner are going to be there. So let's enter now. We have to be very silent.
Greece when he stepped out, make sure he's rock backs fast, just like this, steps out again. Another single.
And this is the media box. Everyone is at Vimalva. Big fan of him. And then everyone else is here, taking notes, sending to press, PR, Twitter, memes, everything. You have to admire how the media give live time commentary, and it's happening right in front of me in terms of script. So I'll show you. They're writing it as soon as everything happens. This is the bus that the Indian team travels in Australia, because when I came for BGT also it was the same Murray's white bus with the green thing with it. So that hasn't changed. I'm just going on field to talk to a few people.
Principal partner of Cricket Australia, Westpac. Give you a check.
Guys,
What do you want to announce?
I don't know, man.
It's a very old story.
But I did not know. I have to switch allegiance to my IPL team and switch back to Sunrisers Hyderabad because this amazing cricketer.
You were an OG Sunrisers fan.
I was the OG Sunrisers
The
fan.
first cheerleading box I saw you in was the Sunrisers box. Before the
Front
Punjab
and center in orange.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but no.
Back to orange,
but I'm
right.
die-hard Punjab now. But he is now the bowling coach of Hyderabad, and I didn't know because now
I was late at the party.
I don't keep up
as
with Hyderabad.
always.
I don't keep up with Hyderabad anymore. But
Why,
now-
why don't you?
Now I have to.
But why don't you anymore?
Of course, I am committed. I am committed to my job.
Do that again. Look at those biceps. Oh my god.
This might be a little controversial, but I'm going to ask you. So, retirement is a huge topic that's been discussed in India right now,
Yep.
and you have gone through the journey yourself. So, my question to you is, when does a cricketer know?
Yeah, that's an age-old question, that one. I knew when I dropped a catch off the outside edge of BVS Laxman's bat. So I dropped it and I went, that's me done. I'm out of here.
So, you had just one moment to understand.
I realised that, I was just a little bit slower than what I should have been, and maybe that's a sign to get out of there.
So, you reckon you yourself know, it's not the people around you who know?
Absolutely.
They know, their body will tell them. You know, when they've had enough, when they're mentally fatigued, that's when your body tells you that passion, that drive is not there. As day in and day out, and that's when you get the answer. It's time to go.
Everyone's talking about Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. The only people who will know is them. No one knows. We're all guessing. I hope they're there for the 2027 World Cup, but today could be the last day for one of them. Who knows?
Oh, don't say that as an Indian. I might cry today.
Yeah, I know, but I hope not. But they know. When you start to lose form, if you can't hit the shots you used to hit, then you've got to be honest with yourself.
So the key is no one can tell you.
Exactly.
It's you yourself.
No one can tell you. You know yourself, and you will make the decision.
The second innings have started, and my producer Serge is already editing everything we shot today. He's in the zone. और हमारे यहाँ सामने मैच चल रहा है. Rohit just made a 4, so that's amazing, and I still look bhondu. हमारे पास है the OG of cricket journalism.
नहीं आपके साथ हूँ, ये मेरा सौभाग्य है.
मुझे आपसे पूछना था, जब सिलेक्शन के बारे में बात होती है या चर्चा होती है कैप्टनसी के बारे में, हम इंडियंस बहुत इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, और फिर हम सोशल मीडिया पे आके ओपिनियंस शेयर करते रहते हैं, चीज़ें बताते रहते हैं एक्सेट्रा. तो आपको क्या लगता है, ये मॉडर्न एज जर्नलिज्म बन गया है?
ये देखिए, ओपिनियन में कोई हर्ज नहीं है. जब तक अब हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, हम लोग चाहे फैंस आप भी रहेंगे, हम लोग भी रहे हैं, जर्नलिज्म भी कर रहे हैं, ओपिनियंस में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मेरी प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ ये है कि व्हेन यू बिकम डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल, आप जब किसी को भी, अगर आप डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल हो जाते हो किसी भी प्रोफेशन में, किसी ने कोई चीज़ अचीव किया है, लॉन्जिविटी, आपको मैं बताऊंगा एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत लाइन, लॉन्जिविटी इटसेल्फ इज अ साइन ऑफ ग्रेटनेस. फॉरगेट एनीथिंग एल्स. कोई अगर 15 साल किसी फील्ड में है, 20 साल 25 साल है,
एंड दैट इज डिजर्विंग ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट एनीवे.
सो अगर उसके बाद भी अगर आप उसको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देते हो, दैट मीन्स आप पर पूरली रिफ्लेक्ट करते हो, उस बंदे पे नहीं है. एंड क्या कहा जाए, रोहित और विराट के बारे में तो कुछ कहा ही नहीं जा सकता.
मैं बस कहना चाह रही हूँ, ट्रोलिंग इज नॉट जर्नलिज्म. तो अगर आपको कुछ कहना है, आपका राइट है, बट विद रिस्पेक्ट.
Yes.
And with a little knowledge also. 99 Rohit's going to make a century. ये ज़रा सेकंड मैच में हो जाता है या फर्स्ट मैच में हो जाता है? जाम्पा डालो ना बॉल. नो. अरे यार. And with that, the day is over, the match is over, the series is over. Australia won. India won the match, and it has been fantastic. Rocco made an amazing knock. You had a century from Rohit. You had almost a century from Virat. And say bye to the SCG. By the way, I thought if they retire, I would be carried from this, but luckily, इसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
So please, Sarapakara. Okay, thank you.